Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I actually stayed up all night and there's a reason behind it. I stayed up because I was on YouTube watching so many videos on how to get more subscribers as a new YouTuber, how to get 0 to 100 subscribers, and 0 to 500 subscribers, and of course 1,000 subscribers because that's when we can get our channels monetized. So I've been doing a lot of research and trying to see what things that I can do to kind of increase my views and my subscriber count. And some of the things that I tried, you guys, already, I put them into place and they are working. If you're interested in seeing what I did, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so if you're new to YouTube like I am, and you are so eager to build your channel and get more subscribers, then you have probably done what I've done and searched so many top influencers to kind of see what they're doing. And it's kind of hard because you don't really know what they're doing in order to build their channel. And I know for me, like, it's really hard seeing that you are putting a lot of work into it and your subscriber count isn't growing as fast as you want it to. But there are things that I've learned in just the last few hours that have already boosted my subscriber count. Now, a few months ago, I was only at 38 subscribers, and now I'm getting close to 500. So I'm like super excited about that. I mean, it's not a big deal to a lot of people, but for me, it really is because I know how hard it was just to try and get to 100 subscribers. So again, I stayed up all night watching these influencers and taking notes from different ones to kind of give a little tip here and there, because no one's just going to come out and just tell you exactly what they did to build their channel. A lot of people are afraid to do that. For me, I'm that type of person where if I can help you in return, I'm going to get my blessings as well. So that's why I want to come on here to give you some tips and tricks and things that I just found just searching other people's YouTube channels and testing those things out and actually seeing that they changed my channel. So again, I stayed up many hours. I'm so tired, but it was well worth it because the tips that I put into place this morning, I'm already seeing results and it's amazing. So I have 5 tips that I'm going to tell you guys about, and maybe you guys can try these on your own channels and put them into place now. Like, don't wait, do it now. If you're serious about growing your channel, then let's do this. Let's try these tips out together. Now, I haven't tried all of them out, but but the ones that I did try, again, they have already worked for me. So the very first one that I tried was updating my thumbnails. So if you think about it, your thumbnail is the very first thing that a viewer is going to see. So if you don't have a great thumbnail, no one's going to even click on your thumbnail to even get to your video and watch it. I mean, we spend a lot of times trying to create these videos. I know for me, this is so new for me. Like, owning my own business and owning my own online businesses, that's not new to me, but YouTube is a totally different ball game. So with that, I went through and just updated a few of my thumbnails, and already I'm seeing more views on those videos that I did. So that's number one. The second one is to post more videos. So I tried this last week because normally I'm not very consistent with my videos. So last week I started saying, you know what, I'm going to be more consistent. I'm going to post more frequently. So now I'm posting, I'm trying to post at least 2 to 3 times a week. Probably 2 because like I said, I do own my own business. I'm pretty busy with that. And I have kids, you guys. Stop, Casey. Sorry, guys. So what was I saying? Yes, post more frequently. So I'm trying to post at least 2 times a week. And by me doing that, I'm seeing an increase in my views. I'm seeing an increase in my subscriber count. So that really does work, you guys. So try and post more videos and more frequently. Now, I have seen a lot of top influencers say, have a schedule. Like, say, I'll post every Wednesday at like 3 o'clock. I can't do that just yet. I can't commit to that just yet. I have kids, as you guys can tell. I have kids and I'm doing homeschool, so I can't commit to that right now, but maybe later on. But for now, I'm just going to start posting more videos. Okay, so number 3 is promotion. You have to promote your videos. I'm an introvert, And I really don't want to go out and tell everyone in my family and friends, hey, I have a YouTube channel, just because like I don't want them to think I'm crazy, all that stuff. But if you want your channel to grow, this is the very first thing you really should do, because your family and friends, if they're supportive, they should go and subscribe to your channel and help your channel grow by liking and commenting and sharing with other family and friends. So if you're going to be serious about your YouTube channel, the world's going to see your videos anyway, so why not your family and friends? So that was one of my biggest things that I had to get over. And who cares that people think you're crazy? Truthfully, I am, but it's okay. So hopefully that will make good entertainment for my videos. So the next one is number 4. So this one I kind of struggle with a bit, because it is to focus on a niche, or to niche down. So is it niche or niche? I don't know. I hear people say it different ways. Tomato. I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. So pick a topic that you are excited about, that you can talk about, a skill that you have, that you can share with people. If you guys are into fitness, then maybe you want to do more fitness videos. If you like cooking, you'll do cooking videos. If you're into pranks, you'll do your, focus on prank videos. So whatever it is, then try to focus on that. Not saying that you can't do other videos, but when we are first getting started, we need to.
I don't want it.
I know, you're a king. You're my king.
I don't want it.
That's right. Good job.
I don't want it.
See guys, this is why I work so hard, because I'm trying to do this for my kids. I want them to grow up and already have things set in the line for them. I want to be able to pay for their college and things of that nature. So that's why I'm always trying to find other money making opportunities. So like I said, I already have my own business, but that's not it. I want to keep growing and doing more things, and I want to share that with you guys. So anyway, since I got off track, on number 4, when I said to niche down, again, pick your topic that you want to focus on. For me, my business is like making party supplies. So, and table settings for parties. So that is my niche. So that's what my main focus of my YouTube channel is going to start off with. And by that, it's helping me to get subscribers in that niche. So people who are interested in throwing parties or learning how to do DIYs and things of that nature, those are the people that my channel are targeting to. Once I build up my channel and more people get to know me, and more people feel like I'm their YouTube friend and are liking my things, then they'll be more willing to watch other videos, such as my family videos or me trying to lose weight videos, or things like that. But just in the beginning, to get started, because I've noticed that my party planning videos are my #1 viewed videos. Just on one video alone, I've gotten over 16,000 views, and it hasn't been up that long, but so I'm going to try and focus more on that, so I can kind of still keep those subscribers who originally subscribed to me watching those type of videos. And I don't want to throw them off by just adding other miscellaneous type videos that they may not be interested in. And my last one that I started using this morning are end screens. So, when on YouTube, when you put your video up and it has a little section that says end screens, I was never using it. I just upload my video and praying for somebody to look at it and hit the subscribe button. But using your end screens is a way for you to cross promote your videos. It's a way for you to recommend your own videos. So what better way to get people to watch more of your videos than to recommend other videos related to what you just posted? So I added that to, I actually went back through maybe about 10 or 12 of my videos, and I added end screens to all those. And you guys, I'm getting more views on videos like crazy. So if they watch one of my videos and then I recommend a video that's in that same category or same niche, then those people are clicking on those videos to watch them as well. So I mean, you can get people to binge watch your videos by doing this. So don't forget to do that. And again, I wasn't doing that, so I've missed a lot of opportunities for people to see more of my videos in a topic that they may have been interested in. So I think that's it, you guys. So I'm going to constantly keep trying to find more ways to grow my channel. I'm going to constantly find ways to try and get more views. And I'm going to give you guys these tips and tricks and secrets that other influencers are not trying to give us. You know, like, again, like, there's enough people in the world to share views and subscribers with. So why, you know, try and be stingy? Let's try and help each other out. So if you guys have lasted this long and watched my entire video, now I can share 2 bonus tips that have gotten me some more subscribers. And the first bonus tip is commenting. So if there's a top influencer that you watch, actually it doesn't have to be a top influencer, but someone in the same niche as your channel, then when you're watching their videos, go and leave a comment, you guys. Don't spam them, but do something like, hey, I love watching your videos, they're inspiring. Hey, I really like your videos. I'm trying to build up my DIY channel like yours. Thank you for being so informative. I mean, you can leave comments like that. And hopefully, or if you can, become the very first person to comment, or at least, you know, one of the first people to comment on their channel. Then most people will actually go scroll down to the comment section, because most people go down and scroll down to read what people say about the video. Then you can do that, and those people will hopefully go to your channel as well and subscribe and like your channel. And my last bonus tip for watching this video is creating, not actually creating, but actually watching Facebook groups in your niche. So I like DIYs, I like party planning, so I went and subscribed to a few Facebook groups, and, you know, liked some of their videos and commented on some of them, and some of those people have already subscribed to my channel. So those are my tips, you guys, on how to get more subscribers. They work for me already. I still have to try a few more, and I'm excited to do so, and I'm excited to share more tips with you so that you can build your channel as well. Or if you don't even want to create a YouTube channel and want to start a business, I'm going to be doing more videos like that as well, because who doesn't want to side hustle? Who doesn't want to make more money? Who's tired of being broke? So no one has time for that. So, all right, you guys, I hope you liked this video. Hopefully it was useful, and please go do this stuff. Don't be a procrastinator. And, you know, like, it took me forever to start my YouTube channel, and I wish I started a long time ago. But hey, it's never too late, and that's why I'm doing it now, and that's why I'm trying to push you. And that's it, guys. I will talk to you in the next one. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share, and I will chat with you in the next one. Take care.